Sawadee krap, it's Thursday, January 30th. I'm JP Mestanza, and this is Phuket Extra, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. Let's start with our top story. 10 patients are waiting for the results of their coronavirus test today, but to date, there have been no infections detected in Phuket, all while officials check on more than 1,000 tourists who disembarked a cruise ship from Singapore at Patong Beach yesterday afternoon. High season in Phuket means that about 4 times a week, cruise ships head to Patong Bay with passengers disembarking to enjoy Phuket Sin City. But yesterday afternoon, a cruise ship carrying about 2,000 people, it saw about 1,200 of their passengers head to Patong, and they were all checked by Phuket Public Health Office officials, who say that they will check every tourist and ship crew member for infections as the weeks go on. Meanwhile, a doctor at Phuket International Airport's medical department is dismissing and saying that it's fake news. A post on social media that said a foreign woman at the airport had died of the Wuhan flu earlier this week. The woman actually suffered a mini stroke and was taken to Bangkok Hospital Phuket before being discharged. Overall, since January 5th, Phuket health officials say that 23 people in total were found to have been suspected of carrying the coronavirus in Phuket, and tests have cleared 13 of them already. Another 10 are being monitored at hospitals all over the island, all of them Chinese nationals. In China, the death toll has risen to 170, with 1,700 new infections confirmed. A leading clinical virologist says he is hopeful China will be able to produce a vaccine against the deadly new coronavirus within a year. Dr. Yang Phuvorawan, head of the Center for Excellence in Clinical Virology at Chulalongkorn University's Faculty of Medicine, he said that a vaccine for the coronavirus would require time to research and develop. And because Thailand doesn't have experts in the field, they expect China to be able to develop the potential vaccine. Symptoms of the coronavirus, according to various reports, they range from mild coughs, fevers, and shortness of breath to severe acute respiratory problems like pneumonia, with the potential to lead to death. As the disease progresses, it can even cause kidney injuries and heart damage, and patients can even spread the disease while exhibiting no symptoms for as long as 2 weeks. Currently, anyone who has the potential to come in contact with the virus are being urged to use N95 respirators, which create a better seal than surgical masks and are designed to catch about 95% of small particles in the air before reaching your nose and mouth. And experts say that, as of now, it's best to wash hands regularly and be wary of touching possibly contaminated surfaces. Thai rock celebrity and running for charity sensation Tune of the popular Thai rock band Body Slam, he yesterday handed over a donation of more than 10.7 million baht to Vashida Phuket Hospital from his fundraising efforts through his foundation late last year. Tune Body Slam and his girlfriend, actress Koi Wongviria, they handed over 10.7 million baht to the director of Vashida Phuket Hospital, Dr. Cherlampon Sukomthapon, who says that Vashida will use the money to buy ventilation devices, extra beds, and more, while also sharing some of the money with Patong and Talang hospitals, about 1.5 million baht each. Last October, Tune Body Slam led a 300-plus kilometers run from Trang to Phuket to raise funds for 7 government hospitals in the south, including Vashira, the main government hospital in Phuket. In total, the run last October raised 60 million baht to support medical services all throughout southern Thailand. Stay right there. Phuket Extra will be right back after this. Welcome back to Phuket Extra. 178 million baht is going to be used to help ease overcrowding at 93 prisons across Thailand, as the cabinet in Bangkok is set to approve the measure next week. Just a month ago, an image captured from hacked CCTV footage posted on YouTube has showed an overcrowded cell in Chumphon Province's Lang Suan prison, prompting a call from activists to fix the overcrowding issue within the Thai prison system. Well, now Justice Minister Somsak Tepsutin has announced that at next week's cabinet meeting, they will seek the approval of the 178 million baht budget to build mezzanine floors at 93 prisons throughout Thailand, providing more space for inmates to sleep. Meanwhile, the Corrections Department is also launching a project to provide healthcare training for 50 inmates so they can help short-staffed doctors and nurses care for ailing inmates should they come down with the coronavirus from Wuhan. The chief of the Pitsanulok Provincial prison, Lieutenant Wansan Kamnuan, he's now facing a disciplinary investigation in connection with the recent deaths of 4 inmates at his prison. A panel that was set up to look into the deaths, they found that there are reasons to believe that Lieutenant Wansan might have committed gross disciplinary violations as a result of his failing to address illnesses among inmates. The deaths took place earlier this month, and while there were 690 total inmates who fell ill, out of them, 4 died within 24 hours of each other. So far, the theory is that the inmates were given food that lacked vital nutrients and had many mixed seasoning powders to taste better, which the correction department says they will stop giving seasoning powder to inmates. Food poisoning, which led to numb limbs caused by low potassium levels in the blood, that's what health officials found had been the main cause of death in those inmates. And that's it for today's Phuket Extra, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. For safe, secure, and soundproof windows, visit pvcphuket.com. From all of us here at the Phuket News Center, thank you for watching, and until tomorrow, stay classy, Phuket.
Phuket's rapid modernization has made it one of the world's premier holiday destinations. Investors can still buy quality condominiums for as low as $75,000 and luxury properties can go all the way up to 20 million. Condominiums in Phuket are a safe, secure bricks-and-mortar investment offering foreigners freehold ownership. Call or email Thai Residential, Phuket's #1 trusted real estate advisor, to find your perfect Phuket property.